Wait, मैं उसका काम करता हूँ? Whose work am I doing? His or mine? Nope. You need अपना काम, not उसका. Today we fix that. Reflexive pronouns, the own self words that keep you from accidentally doing someone else's homework. Day 2 quiz answers. Coming up today.
Just like possessives, apna, apni, apne agree with the thing being owned, not the speaker. Khud is the everyday, casual myself or yourself you'll actually hear on the street. Swayam is more formal, more literary. Think signs, instructions, motivational lines, not casual chat.
अपना अपनी अपने replace mera मेरी मेरे tera तेरी तेरे uska उसकी उसके and the same goes for हमारा तुम्हारा उनका whenever the owner of the thing is the same person as the subject of the sentence. If the owner is someone else, go back to day 2's possessives.
Look closely. Row 1 is she with a masculine word. Row 2 is he with a feminine word. The subject's gender is completely irrelevant. Only the owned thing decides the ending. Notice there are actually 2 gender agreements happening in the same sentence, and they don't have to match each other. Wo apni kitab pad raha hai. Apni agrees with kitab, the book, feminine. Raha agrees with wo, he, the subject, masculine. 2 separate agreement rules running side by side. Careful here. Plural doesn't always mean apne. If the thing you own is feminine, it stays apni, even when there's more than one. Keep your own keys safely. Apni chabiyan sambhal kar rakho.
Feminine plural keeps that E sound at the end, apni. Masculine plural switches to an A sound at the end, apne. Same more than one, 2 different rules. Depends entirely on gender.
Rahul blank ghar gaya. Rahul went to his own house. What goes in the blank? I do my own work. मैं अपना काम करता हूँ. I am reading my own book. मैं अपनी किताब पढ़ रहा हूँ. I met my own friends. मैं अपने दोस्तों से मिला. मैं blank काम करता हूँ. Fill in the blank. She manages her own money. वो अपना पैसा संभालती है. He walks his own dog. वो अपना कुत्ता घुमाता है. We clean our own car. हम अपनी गाड़ी साफ करते हैं. Drink your tea. तुम अपनी चाय पियो. Please bring your own bag. अपना बैग ले आइए. अपना, अपनी, अपने never change, no matter who the subject is. मैं, तुम, आप, वो, हम. Only the owned noun's gender and number decides the form. वो blank पैसा संभालती है. हम blank गाड़ी साफ करते हैं. Quick double blank round. I'll do it myself. मैं खुद कर लूँगा. Or if you're a woman speaking, मैं खुद कर लूँगी. You do it yourself. तुम खुद करो. Please do it yourself. आप खुद कीजिए. He himself came. वो खुद आया. Learn it yourself. खुद सीखो. Please do it yourself. Swayam kare. Khud can slide right after almost any subject to add emphasis. I myself, you yourself, he himself. Swayam does the same job but sounds like a museum sign, not something you'd text a friend. Blank aya. He himself came. Versus blank kijiye. Please do it yourself. Match the Hinglish to the English. Easy rule. If you can swap in my own, your own, or his own in English and it still makes sense, that's apna, apni, apni territory. If it's by myself, that's khud.
Unlike mera, meri, mere, apni covers both feminine singular and feminine plural. It doesn't switch. Apni kitab, my own book. Apni kitabein, my own books. Apni chabi, my own key. Apni chabiyan, my own keys.
मैं blank घर जा रहा हूँ. My own house. वो blank काम करती है. Her own work. Blank करो. Do it yourself, casually. You've mastered own and self. Next time, the question words that unlock every conversation. कौन, क्या, कब, कहाँ. See you on day 4.